In a first for Singapore, halal-certified kimchi has made its debut at the country's largest retail chain, FairPrice. Korea's Ministry of Agriculture and the Korea Agro-Fisheries and Food Trade Corporation have teamed up to promote this launch, along with a cooking class led by Chef Hyun-ah Kim, showcasing kimchi-based dishes to local media. FairPrice is celebrating the introduction of 5 new halal-certified kimchi products with a pop-up store where customers can sample kimchi alongside ramen and kimbap. This move marks a significant step in expanding Korean kimchi into Singapore's halal market, with export figures showing a 3.7% growth compared to last year. Officials are optimistic about kimchi's growing global popularity, especially as a fermented and vegan-friendly product. Stay tuned for more updates.